Unraveling the mystery. Dealing with nausea. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might be a bit uncomfortable, but it's something many of us have experienced at some point. Dealing with nausea. Nausea can be tricky, but understanding it and knowing how to cope can make a big difference. So, let's get started and shed some light on this common yet perplexing condition. Nausea is that queasy, uneasy feeling you get in your stomach that often comes before you vomit. It's not a sickness itself but rather a symptom that can be caused by many different things. It can be due to something as simple as eating too much or something more complex like motion sickness, pregnancy, or even stress. Understanding that nausea is your body's way of telling you something is off can help you address it more effectively. Let's explore some of the most common culprits behind nausea. Food-related issues, overeating, food poisoning, or allergies. Motion sickness, traveling by car, plane, or boat can trigger it. Morning sickness, a common occurrence during pregnancy. Medications, some can have nausea as a side effect. Stress and anxiety. Emotional turmoil can manifest physically as nausea. Knowing the cause is a crucial step in dealing with nausea because it guides how you can best treat it. Here are some practical ways to alleviate nausea. Stay hydrated. Drink clear or ice-cold drinks. Eat light and bland foods. Toast or crackers can be soothing. Avoid strong smells. They can worsen nausea. Get fresh air. Sometimes, a breath of fresh air is all you need. Rest. Lie down and avoid sudden movements. Remember, these tips are for managing mild nausea. If your nausea is severe or persistent, it's important to seek medical advice. It's important to know when nausea requires medical attention. You should see a doctor if you can't keep liquids down for 24 hours, experience dehydration symptoms like dizziness or infrequent urination, have severe abdominal pain, vomit blood or have a fever. Nausea, while unpleasant, is something you can often manage with simple home remedies. However, understanding when it's a sign of something more serious is crucial. We hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate through those uneasy moments more comfortably. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Take care, and see you in the next video.